Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2012 Jayco Greyhawk 31fk Class C gas motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 32 feet 3 inches, and the exterior height to the large 15,000 BTU AC unit is 11 feet 3 inches. And just so I don't forget, I always try to show off the keyless entry. 2012, that was a pretty big deal. This is a second owner coach, I believe, and the current owners, the only reason why they're selling it is because they are done with the RV lifestyle. I do want to point out at the beginning of the video, all the ultra leather finish on the sofa and some of the boot dinette and the pilot and co-pilot seat, the ultra leather is flaking. And show it off right there. It's just some of this ultra leather sometimes doesn't really hold up well in the sofa too. Here they've got a nice cover, but if you wanted to change out the sofa, it's a jackknife sleeper sofa. I can't imagine it being more than a couple $100 at a dealer if you can find one. And anyway, but I do find it important to point that out. Other than that, it's a pretty clean coach. On the inside, I did check for water damage, did not find any issues. The other thing I would do to this coach, these day-night shades, I would definitely take them out and put MCD roller blinds in them, just in the living room. All the other shades are fine, but some of these old traditional day-night shades kind of show their wear a little bit. But anyway, kind of picky when I do my walk-around, so. All right, let's go ahead and start off on the slide out. This is going to be a super slide coach. The super slide is going to be at least 12 to 14 foot long and about 2 foot deep, and obviously accommodates the jackknife sleeper sofa, which I pointed out, and the boot dinette, which breaks down pretty easy, and you can sleep definitely one grown adult, definitely two kiddos. But this coach, I believe they're rating this as sleeping 7 comfortably. Show off the window treatments here. I try to do that, show off those colors. It's going to be different colors of tans, browns. Pan up to the front. It's got the cab over loft area. You can definitely sleep 2 grown adults up there. And let's see here, kind of point off. There's a little bit of storage up underneath here on the side here. This lifts up like that. Storage compartment, pretty nice. Ladder mounts right here, and this can fold away so you can get in and out of the cockpit. I'll show the cockpit when I start walking outside. I did check for water damage up in the front all over this coach. On the inside, did not find any issues, nothing that would be a concern. While I'm back here, this does have the auto level, or I'm sorry, it's the manual hydraulic leveling system on this, and that was an aftermarket deal. And I'll show off those leveling jack legs in the back when we do the outside walkthrough. Kind of back up here, show off that floor plan. Kitchen area here, it's going to be the 8 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator, gas and electric. Just turn it on, a couple hours later you're ready to go. And it is cold. The owners had it nice and cold for me. Microwave, 3 burner gas cooktop. Usually the front burner is usually a high output. Nice cover for more counter space. Decent oven. Looks like it's never been used. Not sure what they're calling the cabinets. It looks like some kind of a maple or cherry finish. Maybe a cherry finish. And the hardware is going to be it's kind of looks like a nickel finish, and all your drawer fronts are all solid wood. Nice water filtration, nice sprayer, decent sized double bowl sink. Point out the full extension metal ball bearing drawer guides. A lot of times in 2012 you'll just get the cheap little plastic guides. Entertainment center area here. This is the factory TV, Jensen. Here's your Jensen badge right there. This coach does have a lot of storage space. You do also have the hidden hinges, which I do want to point out Jayco did in 2012. That was definitely a big deal. It's a big deal now, the hidden hinges. So let's see what we got here as far as entertainment. It looks like they've got the dish, and this is equipped with in-motion satellite, and that must be a DVD player. So this does have the in-motion satellite system on it, which definitely you won't find on a lot of Class C's. Walking back into the bedroom area here, you do have the Ultra Plush memory foam mattress, which is brand new. Definitely going to be one of the nicest mattresses you're going to find in a motorhome. Nice LED reader lights the owner's upgraded to. Saves you on your battery. When I'm talking about lights, you do have recessed puck lights, which is nice. Fantastic vent fan. There's at least 2 of them on this coach. Usually you only get 1, and usually it's an option, but there are 2 fantastic vent fans, one in the bedroom here and one in the bathroom. TV, which is on a pivoting arm. Alright. Nice accordion door for privacy from the bedroom into the living room area. Private commode. The China toilet is an upgrade. Factory was a plastic toilet, so this is probably going to be one of your only Greyhawks that have a China toilet in 2012. And as I pointed out, second fantastic vent fan, that definitely was an option. And you do have medicine cabinets, not just a mirror. Actually a pretty big, large vanity area there. Oh, and I do want to point out also, this coach is equipped with tank heaters, so you have heated holding tanks, so you can go into colder weather. And let's see here, lights, a power vent, and shower light. You also have a shower light. I want to try to show off everything on this coach. Glass enclosed shower. There's your light and skylight. Ducted AC all throughout, and ducted heat. I believe it's going to be a 30,000 BTU furnace on this, and as I pointed out, it's the ducted 15,000 large BTU AC unit with quick dump feature. This is your quick dump, shut off the louvers, and you've got ducted AC all throughout. But if you want to cool it off real quick, open up these louvers and it does a quick dump. And oh, you also have a soft touch vinyl ceiling, easy to clean. Alright. Here's your central command area here. Generators, Onan 4000. I'll start that up. We're in a neighborhood that actually is got some pretty strict zoning laws, and I didn't want to run the generator too long. The neighbors might say something. But anyway, the generator has just a little bit over 1,200 hours on it, and this is equipped with an upgraded 1,000-watt inverter. And this Xantrac panel here shows you where you are on your inverter. Slide out button. Water pump, easy to figure out. Water heater is gas and electric, 6 gallons, whether you're boondocking or hooked up to shore power. You've got hot water within 10-15 minutes. And this is your monitor panel. Your battery, your actual chassis battery is brand new on this coach. And it looks like it's fully charged on the house battery there. That's a house battery. But your chassis battery is new. Freshwater tank, I believe, is going to be a 39-gallon. Black tank, which is your toilet. And your gray, which is your sink and shower. There you go. Central command. All right, let's go outside. The exterior finish on this is a gel coat finish. See if I can pan down the side here, kind of show off that glassy finish. This gel coat is the best you can get on a Class C on a motorhome. It's easy to clean. It looks a lot sharper. Kind of back up here. Start from the front. It's got a beautiful, awesome front molded, gel coated fiberglass cap. Show off that Greyhawk badge there, and your decals are all in really good condition. But this front cap wraps all the way around, So it pretty much eliminates any of the problems with water damage that you usually find in previous years of Class C's. Jayco did a great job on that front cap. Pretty much eliminates any water damage up in the front area, which is definitely nice. Your awning is a little dirty. The owners have not had a chance to really detail it. They just got it out of storage. Anyway, they just did a wash job last night and this morning on it, but they didn't put the awning out. But it's a 16-foot power awning. It should clean up pretty good. Well, with the little, they said they use a little bleach and water. A little soft scrub also does the trick. Kind of show off that decal on the side here. See, the decals are in good condition. I would say this coach, other than the vinyl or ultra leather finish on the inside, this coach is definitely in great condition. Show off the, let's see here, I'm going to show off everything. The age of the tires right here. Usually it can be found with a little circle right by the rim on the tire, and it's got a 4-digit code, 0616. The 6th week of 2016 when all these tires were made, and they're Michelins. Michelins are the ones you want on an RV. They're all in excellent condition, the tires, but usually lifespan of a tire is usually 6 to 8 years, manufacturers say. This coach is sitting on the E450 chassis. It's got a 6.8 liter Triton V10 engine, 305 horsepower, 420 foot-pounds of torque, 5,000 pound towing capability. Rotocast compartments clean out pretty good. There's some audio visual jacks and 110 outlet right there. Outside speakers. Again, show off those tires. They're in excellent condition. Another rotocast compartment. Low point drain valves right here. If you need to winterize, pretty easy to figure out. You do have a gas grill hookup here. Huge garage storage in the rear. And it's passed through, and you can get to it from the back side and the rear. Huge storage. And you do have tie downs. Show off those D rings. Tie downs all throughout to secure your load. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. Ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof to service your large 15,000 BTU AC unit. I did check the roof, all the seams and lap sealant looks pretty sharp. This coach is also has the upgraded camera system on it. The original ones went out, and the extended warranty that came with the coach, or that the owners paid for, the extended warranty actually covered the cameras when they went out. So they're all brand new color cameras. And I'll show you on the side too. It's got side view cameras too on this coach. There's your 5,000 pound hitch. And I don't know if you can see, but your rear manual hydraulic stabilizer jack legs that I'll show you here. Here we go. Better view. There's your hydraulic jacks, and it was aftermarket. I believe it was put on after the fact when the original owner purchased the coach, but definitely a neat feature. All right. Huge storage again. This is your water hookups area here. Outside shower. You also have a water pump switch outside too. You don't have to run inside, which is definitely nice. And if you want to winterize, it's easy to figure out. Just follow the directions on there. And just below that, city water hookup, and below that, down at the very bottom, is a black tank sewer flush. Here's where you hook up your sewer, and that's where your sewer hose would go. Your fuel cell on this coach, I believe, is going to be a 55-gallon fuel cell on this coach. Let's show off that back side here. I'm going to try to get everything. See if we can show off those decals again. And again, the owners have not detailed it. See how glassy it is? See if the sun can get it. Yeah, there you go. It's a mirror finish. And again, decals. All right. Michelin tires. Looks like a little dent right there. on that little baggage door here. It's a non-issue. 30 amp service, cable and satellite hookups here, 110 outlet hookup right there. More storage. Again, rotocast compartments, easy to clean out. And your battery, that's your house battery. Little dink right there too. That's the only thing I noticed. Onan 4000 gasoline generator. And more storage. Back up again here, kind of give you an idea of what she looks like with the slide out. And again, that super slide is going to be a good 12 foot long. I do want to point out on the outside, the only thing that I found really on the decal, little scratch right there, a little scratch right there. And you know what I would do? I'm probably going to suggest to the owners, take a little brown marker, touch that up, or some touch-up paint. It's a non-issue. Definitely normal wear and tear on this coach. There's your brand new cameras right there. Heated remote mirrors too, by the way. Alright, show off the mileage here and show off that there's no check engine light or anything like that on it. Mileage currently is 41,290. You get the idea there. You do have the Sirius radio on this and nice upgraded dash panel. And that is your camera also. Your backup camera and all that. When you turn your turn signal on, all that displays on that monitor. Okay, pilot and co-pilot seat are the ultra leather finish, but it's flaking off. Again, if you wanted to change them out, I guess you could, but I'll just do some just like these real nice seat covers. They do the trick just fine. And let's see if I can back up, show off that in-motion satellite dome on top. I don't know if you can see, it's right behind the AC unit, that dome. That's the in-motion satellite. That's about a $1,200 feature. Show off that beautiful front cap. And show off that front end. All right. I know I didn't get everything on it. The coach has a lot of stuff on it, a lot of upgrades. The camera system, the manual hydraulic leveling system on this, and the China toilet, new chassis battery, and the 1,000 watt inverter. Standard, I think, was a 400 watt inverter. So anyway, but yeah, it looks to be a pretty decent little coach. Anyway, if you like this video, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad, or just call 502-645-3124. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.